I can see a sign for a speed hump coming up here. So trying to get up to 40, 45 before them, and then slowing down just before, taking my foot off the brake and the gas as I go over at around 30. The flatter they are, the easier it is to go over them. So again, getting back up to speed and then getting back down just before I make contact. I slow down to what I need to be, and then taking my foot off the brake and gas, back on the gas. Here's another raised crosswalk, so same idea, slowing down just before and taking my foot off both pedals, getting over at a nice smooth speed.